Welcome to the Marion County Public Library. Technically speaking, how do I place a hold on an item? We'll start at our website, mcpls.org. To place a hold, the first thing we need to do is get to our catalog. Let's click on Search the Collection located here in the top right corner. This link takes us to our online catalog. Right now, you can see we are displaying our new materials. But let's start with a simple search here for Stephen King. Here are all of the results, but let's sort our search by the latest publication date. Okay, I found the title I want to put on hold. Here is his latest novel, If It Bleeds. You can see here we have the book on CD, large print, and standard print editions. For this hold, let's select the standard print edition. Click on Place a Hold. In this new pop-up window, we are being asked to log in using our library card number and PIN, which is usually the last 4 digits of our library card number. Now we have a few options. First, we can select which location to which we want our hold sent. This includes Bridgeport, Clarksburg, and the Whitehall Express, although keep in mind some items do not fit in the Whitehall Express. Then we can have the system select the first available copy, or we can choose a specific copy. By selecting I want a specific copy, a drop-down menu will appear where we can choose exactly which copy we want. After we confirm our choice, this green bar will appear at the top telling us our hold was placed successfully. But to be sure, we can click the arrow and select holds. Here we can see the status of all of our holds. And that is how we place a hold on an item.